Mark Whitaker coming at you again from the floor of InfoComm 2026. This is what we have with our nifty Express Room kit. This kit consists of four major components. First and foremost is our display. 42-inch LG display is what we have set up right here, but this can accommodate up to a 55-inch display. We also have our ThinkSmart Bar 180 connected up to this system. The beautiful part about our Bar 180, by the way, is that it does have 3 cameras that stitch together for a full 180-degree field of view, so you can get some pretty awesome shots, even though you're maybe right up next to the device. Another thing that ships with the system is our ThinkSmart Tiny Kit. And to really get a feel for the Tiny Kit itself, we have to go around back and check out what's going on with the devices in the back. Before I talk about the devices going in the back, though, I do want to mention the fourth component, which is the heckler stand. This is a big old rock-solid piece of steel that comes together very, very quickly. So the whole idea behind this is to have a system that goes together very quickly. This took me about an hour to set up, from soup to nuts, when I actually set this up initially. It's a beautiful, beautiful system like that. And the key component from Lenovo in all of this is our ThinkSmart Tiny. This is an i3 version of our Teams Room systems, and it comes with the USB touch panel. So it allows you 10 meters of length on that cable. It's pre-connected. All you need to do is figure out exactly where you want to put this, what table, what rooms you want to put it in, and even at that, as long as you're not drilling through the table, we absolutely can pick this thing up and move it along and put it anywhere you need it to go. So it's an extraordinarily flexible system. And once again, I'd like to thank you for joining me here at Lenovo for InfoComm 2026. And if you need more information on this, please feel free to check out lenovo.com or smartcollab.us.